problem na your problem and there are headquarters and there is a headquarters obi ya bibi niam ekoso na ya na mu say sorry we omu preaching ye de abro omu 1 year sorry we omu preaching ye de abro omu 2 years sorry we omu we de eno no aya hwan mu na de ba ifiri now let's look at the Ouroboros and then get into all these temples and what they do there. I don't want someone to go and stand somewhere and say, Maame Grace says the Ouroboros is bad. No. I am telling you that while the world is prepared to use the infinite power of nature for good, those who don't want that to happen are also using the same energy in a delusional way. Because you know, we would get deeper than we are getting to with spirituality. So that Madame Fubino can also be a Borla bed. How can you call a human being Borla bed? Or say, so that no Borla bed will come and tell you, say, and now your spirituality, and I rap chambaye, and I say, they have people who are also using consciousness. They pay obi bese delusionally me bro for ni nyanti fa ne sa aye delusional we binumu adwemu. They are also using it to stop people from waking up. So yes, consciousness is here. Yes, the awakening wind is blowing. Yes, the universe itself is helping people to be raptured to the fifth dimension because this third dimension has become an extinct. But enyo obi aso na nenije ho. The reason I keep telling you, say, don't look for spirituality from anybody because you are spirit yourself. So look into you to know spirituality if you want to. It's not with me. It's not with anybody. It's not with anybody bed. So it's this not spiritual, not consciousness and awake. It has become a whole business for people. Nobody is saying anything but one kasa one amene kasa. Wherever you go from church to wherever. One kasa and show. Because enya wona we spirit papa no wa manipa no ayeye. Enu ntini. Ti wan hwe wo na so kohwehwe. Obi kra wo kɔ no you are a better person than onipa no. You are well endowed, spiritually inclined even than onipa no but won kasa. And not just said the all kasa of social media na TV na are better than you. No. The same Ouroboros they are using to retain the human race to an endless loop. So now when you teach and you are able to teach about reincarnation and me pesa me kwa me sign ba na me bebe me kwa me pesa me sign ba me then me na reincarnation na vibration na drink ubisa o share so explanation no it's not actually sitting well. Say who consciousness now why you are waking like you are saying now. You don't want to be here again. This dumping place. What are you coming to do here? Fear. Be a survival mode. We do what drive it well. Be the nurse and baby boom. The problems. We are living on fear. We now rent us. We are saying just say all this right brain in identity person you samba. Obeden wa. E ye binu mu adwuma no no.